AI is moving from an experimental sidekick to a central part of the software lifecycle. On July 22, 2026, multiple articles describe AI shaping coding, testing, CI, and standards. We cover practical patterns, scanners, standards, RAG, and cost controls. Several July 22 articles report a consistent shift. Coding assistants use repository context and API schemas. QA tools generate unit and integration tests. CI adapts build order and test parallelism. AI orchestration can shorten idea to deploy timelines substantially. 3 ideas appear across the sources. Brass coders, a scanner that runs many static tools and emits unified YAML. GitGrit, standards as Python policies across repos. Production RAG, multi-stage retrieval, caching, and quantization that can cut model size by about 4 times. A 3-layer pattern works well. Local checks, pre-commit hooks, and a CI gate. Brass coders runs locally or in CI and returns identical YAML. GitGrit connects your Git host and runs Python policies on pushes. RAG uses chunking, multi-stage retrieval, and caching. A common chunk size example is 512 tokens. Day-to-day, engineers trade repetitive checks for triage and design. AI reviewers are probabilistic and vary between calls. Static scanners are deterministic and repeatable. At team scale, consistency matters because outputs combine, not average. Pin scanner versions to keep onboarding outputs consistent. Compose 3 components: standards platform, deterministic scanner, and AI triage. Treat the context window like CPU cache, not durable memory. Durable state belongs in versioned artifacts. For serving, use spot or preemptible instances. Serverless for sporadic traffic, batching, caching, and profiling. Remember serverless constraints such as the 15-minute Lambda timeout. Limitations matter. Static scanners detect patterns. They do not replace human architecture review. AI assistants can prefer raw SQL and SQLAlchemy text, which triggers Bandit B608. Use named bind parameters or ORM expressions to fix it. Raw finding counts can exceed 1500 before enrichment. Prioritize 3 things. 1. A deterministic team gate running the same rules on every PR. 2. An executable standards platform that watches your repos. 3. Cost controls for model serving. Use prompt engineering and pin tooling versions. All source URLs are in the description. Key pieces: AI workflows and RAD, brass coders on scanners and policy templates, GitGrit on standards, SQLAlchemy B608 analysis, and the context window analogy.